night. The amount of positive we do and that not highlight. Could all of that with them a worry over my life. Don't worry about the rankings.
Wow! Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm telling you, I am working this week. Am I not working this week? Am I not working this week? Oh my gosh, so much going on. But what I loved is that Alkaline, the man himself, the Vendetta boss, dropped the music video for Maniac right after we sent the warning to that jerk, I don't want to swear in this video, that tried to tarnish Alkaline's name, named Vendetta Defense, when he's trying to tarnish Alkaline's name. As soon as we sent out the warning out there, as soon as the management and the cap said for touch him and report him, yo, the video for Maniac just a drop. And if people don't know the significance between those two things, right? Look at the lyrics of Maniac and point out some things from there. We looked through the lyrics of Maniac before on past lives. I'll see what I can attach at the end of this video. But the whole point is that this Vendetta Defense person tried to bring down Alkaline's name. And the lyrics in Maniac, certain parts of the lyrics, right? Because, you know, obviously he's talking about a woman and so forth, but then he's also addressing the haters, right? And I just thought the timing was great. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Google the lyrics for Maniac and check out the lyrics of Maniac, and you see the hidden messages for the critics, the haters, the other side, the ops, right? And then you'll see why I think this is so strategic and fucking amazing. Oh, wait, no swearing. Now let's look at this video closer. Now, I've always said I wanted Alkaline to either do his Hostage or Maniac video the same way he does the video for Shall I Go With You? That dark background with the hostage situation type of thing. Always said that. And to see Alkaline opening up with this dark background and his silhouette, I was like, yes, you gave me a piece, Alkaline. I totally appreciate it. I totally appreciate. And then, you know, you see Alkaline there, all in his black, looking dapper, wicked. And the video comes out, and then you see some man, and I'm like, where's this man going? I want to see you. I want to see Alkaline. Then when I saw him pulling down the stock, I'm like, oh, he's on a movie. Oh, he's one of the goons. Okay. Oh, then I put Vendetta Defense in at the back. I was like, grimy. And then, you know, you see him cut away to the sexy lady. And then, you know, later on, you see that there's sexy ladies in the video. And then it's like, you know, the strip club settings, which I know there is one of our viewers who also said that could be one of the images in the video for Maniac. They said this long time ago. And, you know, it's just showing that, you know, Alkaline's all about the hustle. The girls them are counting money, have money all around them. Strippers are doing their thing. Alkaline's dressing the women, women, and also addressing his haters at the same time in this video, which is so sick. And then it was so cool to see the guy walking on his sticks. You know, what do they call those things again? Those little tall stick things that you see the clowns always walk on. So, you know, I call that Papacan. It's like, to me, it's a picture of Papacan trying to look tall, and he's a clown. I just call that guy the Papacan clown. And you guys know I make my own things up. But Well, let me know what you guys think it signifies. Seriously, what do you think it does? Sticking by my clown. And then, see Alkaline, his clothes is so sick. He has that, all black look with the red bottoms, and the kerchief with the symbol in the middle, And if you don't notice, there's like a beak of light coming in and shining on him. Like, again, is it the light like God is watching over him no matter what the haters are trying to do? Or is it a beam of light, like how a light beams whenever someone's coming from a spaceship, and they're coming down from that beam of light, or they're about to take someone and they put the beam of light on someone. So I thought the beam of light on him was really, 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 really cool, with him in the darkness and the beam of light. And then even though he's not wearing army fatigue, one of his outfits actually does look like army fatigue. So it looks like to me, like, in my head on to the going face on with the haters, those are hating on him. And he's like, yo, you guys can't test me. Like, I'm taking you on head on and I'm still murdering you. So this is my interpretation without watching it more than 100 times, There's a scene where smoke surrounds Alkaline and he's bent down in the smoke. So it's kind of like that significance, you can't see me coming. Man, everything's just powerful to me. I know I got to analyze this video some more and, come up with some more conclusions. Hopefully I'll have it ready for the live tonight. But overall, the video is bad. Simple but deadly. And I like the way that all the ladies are wearing black too. It's a part where one of the ladies, she's in one part of the room, in a corner in the background of Alkaline, and then she appears closer. And he goes, watch how you approach us. To me, it's just like, yo, you might think, we're not watching Wagwan, but we are watching Wagwan, and watch yourself mine before we have to roll out. So even the ladies, them are deadly. Hey, but I just like the way it was like, when you watch scary movies where the person's one place and then you turn around and next minute they're behind you and scare the hell out of you and could kill you. That was the kind of thing that I got from that little scene right there, just like a scary movie. Careful. At the end of the video was pretty cool too. He had two girls behind him and then one ends up disappearing. And then you see him down, crouching on the ground, saying transfer to Maniac while smoke blows over him. Very cool video. Definitely want to analyze it some more so we could go through it. So hopefully we could go through it tonight, M&MG family. This is just a quick review because I don't know, I had to talk on it, especially how I was angry earlier, was like literally livid at what happened today. And then to know that Alkaline just fulfilled my heart, was just amazing. So let me know what you thought about the video in the comment section below. Bless up.
Extremely transforming a maniac, morphing a money maniac.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share and like. Thanks.